If you'd like to see how I created this lovely canvas by adding some sign vinyl to this canvas, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! Today I am going to be working on a smaller size canvas today. This is 11 by 14 I believe, and I purchased this from Micheal's. And I'm going to be making a nice little piece of artwork for a friend of mine who recently revealed that she is battling breast cancer. Very surprisingly. And she's she's fairly young. She's early 30s. And I noticed that she has a lot of things being given to her with breast cancer awareness on it. So I was automatically thinking, what could I make? So I was thinking that I want to make a canvas. The colors I'm going to be using today, I think I may use a little white, but I'm going to use this acrylic paint, which is, the color is called Adrift. I purchased these from Walmart. And of course the breast cancer awareness symbol is pink. I cut this out with my Silhouette Cameo. I want to say this is like a 3 by 8 inches maybe. And I want to put this on this canvas, but first I want to paint it. And it's going to say Team Tiara, Worryless Warrior. Just to give her some positivity, some help, give her some courage, or whatever she needs to feel like she has support and to feel like someone is definitely cheering her on. That's my intentions with my gift that I'm going to be giving her. So I didn't want to go just straight white. I decided to put some color behind it. And then I had been wondering anyway, can you put vinyl? This is adhesive vinyl. I think some people call it permanent vinyl. So I was always wondering, it just popped in my head, can this go on here? I saw a couple videos where people did. So I was like, okay, I want to give it a try myself. So I'm going to just use this paintbrush. I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I may also add some glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm putting on a decent amount of paint onto the canvas and taking my brush and smoothing it in very, very evenly. So once you smooth in your paint on your canvas, just make sure that you do also paint the edges of your canvas as well, because you don't want those to still be white. You can choose any color that you'd like to work with, and this paint, if I didn't say it already, this came from Walmart. This paint was about 50 cents, and the other one, if it's not 50 cents, it's no more than $1. Okay, just touching up those edges, making sure that they are all fully covered. Now I'm just laying out the decals that I previously cut with my Silhouette Cameo, just to kind of line it up and see where I want to put them. And because the canvas doesn't have a hard edge behind it, I did place my hand behind the canvas, and then I just kind of scraped it on using an old gift card. Now I'm lining up the words that I have on here as well. I did the same method, and I didn't realize it at the time, but the words are slightly crooked. But I'm okay with that because it's not that noticeable. And I added on some liquid fusion just to add on my glitter. It's kind of like a glue. I use it as like a glue to add on the glitter to my canvases. But as I was adding this on, I noticed that it's very, very bright pink. So I wasn't sure how I felt about this. Okay, so now that I look at it, the glitter that I have on here is a little too hot pink. And this is a little more, I guess, on the pastel side. I'm going to brush this glitter off and see how it's looking, but right now it's kind of clashing. As I was brushing this off, this pink was stingy anyway, so I want to add more. I'm going to be using some liquid fusion and just adding on a few scattered rhinestones and pearls to give it a little bit more excitement. It's not looking exactly how I wanted it to look, so I'm just trying to change up the vibe a little bit here. So I just added on a little bit of the liquid fusion, and I'm just going in and filling up this ribbon with the pearls. The pearls were 6mm, 8mm, And then I had some 4mm rhinestones and some 5mm rhinestones. And I'm just doing like a little simple scatter method just to fill it up. And I think it's looking a lot better already. I'm really excited about this gift. This is definitely something different than I've ever done before. And usually, you know, I give gifts for like birthdays, graduations, different things like this. This gift of support is very different. It's very sentimental. Breast cancer is very serious and it's very scary. So I'm just hoping that my gift can really offer some support and some courage. So I'm going to be adding more glitter here. I usually use liquid glass, but I'm going to be using some Mod Podge. Just want to see how it holds up. And then I have some crushed glass here that I'll be using. And then this is the glitter I want to add on here. I'm going to use a sponge brush and just kind of, dab on some glitter. Dab on some glue here. I know a very common gift of support is a t-shirt or maybe some bracelets, and those are absolutely magnificent as well. This is great if someone wants to put this on their desk or if they want to hang it up somewhere at home. I know most people probably don't have a lot of pink decor in their home, but they could just sit this somewhere and just look at it and be reminded, even once they are, the breast cancer is defeated, which I'm claiming it'll be defeated and dissolved, it'll still be a remembrance of a testimony of where they once were. Okay, so I'm going to allow this to dry and then I'll come back and shake everything off and then see how it turns out. Okay, so this painting has sat for over 24 hours, so I know it's nice and dry. I have my big fluffy brush here. This is kind of a small canvas. I usually do a 16 by 20 canvas or bigger, like a 24-inch one. So I have this one. I usually have a bin that I brush this into. I'm gonna try to use this plate. And I'm just gonna start brushing it. And you see how it's just kind of falling off here. And this is different, whoa, than any that I've done before. And I like to keep my little glitter that falls off. So I'm just gonna be brushing it and keep brushing. Then I'll show you how it looks hung up. Okay, so I'm gonna brush it in every direction pretty hard because I don't want to have any glitter or anything falling off when I give it to her. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this breast cancer awareness wall canvas gift. And I think it looks very, very beautiful. Now, I do wish that I would have lined up the vinyl a little bit better. I kind of was thinking about, like, if I really wanted to, if it really bothered me, I could probably just go over that with glitter and cover it up. But I think it's very important. I like the hashtag Team Tiara because that's like the slogan, that's the theme to root her on. And I really like the worryless warrior part that I have there. So I'm going to leave it. But you'll do yours better and make sure it's lined up, of course. And I think it's great to know that you can use the permanent sign vinyl on a canvas. So that just opens up a whole nother area of different things you can do. You could put any type of message on there that you want. Another great thing about this, I do like how the colors kind of came together. I like that soft aqua color in the background and then with the pink on top. I love the rhinestones and the pearls on this ribbon, and that ribbon is a good size too. I think it's at least about 8 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. So you guys, thanks again for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it and received a great idea. Maybe you'll make something like this for someone or make one for yourself. And if you or someone are battling something like this, many blessings to you. And subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that notification bell if you are going to subscribe to this channel so you'll know when I upload new videos. Okay, you guys, bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word. And you can also follow me on TikTok at the same name, at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching this video. Bye-bye.